I see, sir. Before you. Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, good morning. My name is Rory from frontpageph.com and Business Mirror as well. Ms. March, yung term ba ng nano business category is proprietary to Quezon City? I mean, in Quezon City lang ba ito? Or is this a practice all over the country?
Well, thank you for your question. Recognized na po talaga ang nano business sa NDTI at saka ng NEDA. Ano na po yan, nire-recognize na po yan. Pero ang pagkakaalam ko po, ang Quezon City po, ang unang nagkaroon ng ordinansa that encourages or that mandates nano businesses to register with the city.
And to clarify lang po, iba po yung nano doon sa mga hawkers? Iba pa siya?
Iba pa po. Yung hawkers po are street vendors. But they're also part of the informal economy. And yung pagdala po namin sa kanila sa formal economy ay yung registration under MDAD naman po yun.
Alright. And question is, anybody can answer. Regarding, you're always talking of sustainable development of businesses, and part of that is also retaining employees. I don't know if you've read of the Great Resignation that happened in the US in 2021 and now in the Philippines, a lot of, based on a recent survey, although it's not substantial in terms of respondents, na a lot of them, or majority of them, around 64%, will be looking for jobs this year or changing yung maghanap ng ibang employer. Will there be events that the PCCIQC will engage in this topic?
Yeah, that's very concerning, no? Yung nature